Hello my beautiful people, welcome back to our channel. It's your babe Asanwa baby Asa. Hello, welcome on board. Today I'm going to share with you guys how I achieved this knotless braids. Yeah, so this is it. Yeah, so beautiful. Stay tuned to watch the video and don't forget to give this video a big like, subscribe, share and follow me on all social media. All right babes, let's jump into the video. My hair is already blow dry and prepared for this hairstyle. I'll be trying this shine and jam. I used to use this shine and jam in honey extract, but I want to try this one. It's called shine and jam with echinacea. These are the hairs that I'll be using for this hairstyle by Easy Braid. It's 3 tones: ombre purple pink and ombre black gold. The hair is already pre-stretched attachment, so you don't need to do much on it. I'll be using Shea Moisture sugarcane extract and meadowfoam seed, silicone free, to moisturize my hair, and Shea Moisture coconut and hibiscus coiling enhancing smoothie too as well. Then I will seal everything with this my oil mist. I have to put this oil mist inside this bottle because it has applicator nozzle. I will apply the oil on my scalp, then I will massage. And don't forget the back of your ear lines. I'll apply some oil on my hand, then I'll rub it all over my hair to seal in the moisture. I will part my hair, then I'll apply some shine and jam on my hair. Then I'll braid first before I add attach. I'll come closer so you guys can see what I'm doing. So I'll be doing like a feeding braids on my hair. I'm using my 3-ways mirror from Amazon to see what I'm doing. So then I'll braid through. You add attachment according to how long you want the hair to be. If you want it more long, you keep adding, but if you want it to how short, just check the length of where you want it and then stop adding more. I apply shine and jam to make sure the hair is blending with the attach, so no hair will be sticking out. I'll take small attachment, I'll wrap it around the hair and knot it to prevent the hair from losing. I will use this grapevine apple treatment to moisturize the attach to prevent it from tangles and flyaways. I will apply my shine and jam to slick the hair, then I'll add attach, and each time my hands pops out, that is when I add the attach. As you can see, I'm making the hair on a medium section because I don't want the hair to be full. I just want it to be on a moderate size so that it will be easy for me to maneuver around, to pack, and for it not to be too heavy for me on my hair. So I add attachment, then I braid. You keep adding attachments until you reach your desired length. Then I bring it to my side to be easy for me to braid. Then I add shine and jam to slick down my natural hair to make it blend with the attachment so that no flyaways or no any hair sticking out from the attachment. Since this is my front hair, I just add the attachment without braiding my hair. Be careful with this attachment so it doesn't tangle on you. I will use the clip to hold down the hair. I will flip the hair, add my shine and jam, then I will braid down. Because this is my front hair, I don't want to add too much attachment on it to avoid too much weight. I will use shine and jam to slick down my hair first. Then I will braid my natural hair first. Add attachment. Then I'll braid. Whenever this hand pops out, that is when I add my attachment. Then I'll braid. Then I'll add another attachment each time my hands pops out. So it will be easy to blend in with the hair. Check out my recent videos on summer accessory collective haul part 1 and part 2. I will link it up here and on the info sections as well. Please do check it out. I will put all the informations of this hairstyle in the info section. Please do check it out as well. Using shine and jam to slick down my natural hairs to blend in with the attachment. And you can borrow attach from the other side to add to the other side of the hair. As you can see, I have used all the Shine and Jam conditioning gel here with echinacea, and this is for fluent hairs and it's finished. So I'll be using the Shine and Jam, the honey extract, to complete the whole of the hair. Oh my gosh, doing this knotless braid for the first time, I won't lie you guys, it was a big challenge for me. At the time, I wanted to stop and change to another hairstyle, but I have come a long way to change hairstyle. But what keeps me going is because of the end result. Because I know the finishing result will be fantabulous. But oh my gosh, it was a very big challenge for me. This hair took me almost 2 days to finish. Although I'm doing some house chores and running around, but it is what it is. And again, it is a long hair. It's reaching me at my bum. But I love it. I love it. So this is the last braid. I hope you guys can see clearly what I'm doing. I just applied the Shine and Jam with honey extract. Then I braid my hair first. Then I add attachments. So I keep adding the attachment to achieve my desired length. Please click the like button because it really helps more YouTubers like myself, for others to see our video, to see my video and subscribe as well. I will apply my oil mist on my scalp. Then I'll add some few drops on my hand as well to make sure I get the whole hair and massage it into my scalp. So I'm going to trim the ends of the hair. Then I will put it in the hot water to seal the ends. Then I'm going to use Cream of Nation hair mousse to smooth the hair and take away any flyaways on my hair. I will use Cream of Nation edge control to lay down my edges. I will use this my scarf to tie my hair down. So babes, this is the end result. This is the back, the length. Packing it in bun is full as well. I ended up having 61 knotless braids on my hair. This is a versatile hairstyle. You can switch it to the two sides, middle part. So babes, if you enjoyed this video, check out my other videos. I will link a playlist video on the top here and on the info section as well. I have more interesting videos like this. And follow me on all my social platforms. Give this video a big like, subscribe for more, share, turn on your notification to be notified whenever I upload a new video. It's your babe, Asanwa. Bye.